loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? It's Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Dun, yada dun dada, however you want to know me. It is your girl, and as you can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing our January Boxycharm base box. If you guys would like to see what I got in my January Boxycharm base box, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang. Thumbnail. Okay, you guys, so we got the January base box. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription service where you can pay monthly to receive 5 products in a box, and these can be products that are very popular or fairly new. It's a way you can build your makeup collection and try new products. Let's see what's in my Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it this way. I think that for the new year, I like the surprise effect, you know? And here is what's in here. So let's start with what the card looks like. Here is what January's card looks like. It just says refresh. Let's refresh for the new year. So we're gonna start with the Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner, lip pencil, and shaper. Here's what it looks like. This retails for $18. So here's what it looks like. It is a really long pencil. Is there anything else in here? No. Let me swatch this. Oh, it is a really cute brown. Dragon Beauty is a super controversial brand. This looks like a really cute color for an everyday nude. I just might be trying this out. It looks really creamy on my hand. I also love that it's one of the pencils that I can sharpen. I hate the pencils that they give you and you can't twist it up or sharpen it. Next, we're gonna pull out the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. Here's what it looks like. This retails for $22. Uh-oh, it's kind of tricky to open, y'all. And this is just what it looks like. Pretty thick. Let me open it. We will see how this works. Next, you guys, I am truly a fan of this next brand, and it is the Earth Harbor Superfruit Radiant Balm. This is I don't know what this is. Let me see. It says it has vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E and K, omega amino acids, and numerous of other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin. You guys know I love bouncy, dewy skin. So this is a skin balm apparently. You use it for your face. This is from the brand Pearl Harbor. I love this turquoise, or you know, jade green, jade blue color. Here is what the product looks like. So cute. It comes in a glass bottle. You guys know I love glass bottles. It looks super luxurious. It smells really nice. It feels really oily. Okay, it's kind of gritty. It feels really oily. So I'm assuming this is one of the products that you would use after you apply your skincare. Definitely apply this after you apply your skincare. It'll be your oil you use on top of all of your skincare. Totally excited for this. I don't know if I told you guys, this retails for $38. The Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. It comes with bubble wrap and this plastic wrap over it. I'm always skeptical when I get like contour palettes, blush palettes, or anything like that in Boxycharm, because it's like, how do we know? This retails for $40. If you guys don't know, I am a super fan of like simple black packaging. I think it looks so aesthetically pleasing and professional. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So it has 6 colors inside, because y'all asked me about highlighting and contouring. Here's a cheat sheet, girl. Y'all gonna see this before I do. Oh, it has a mirror. Okay, so before I turn this around, comment down below and tell me if this contour palette looks interesting or pass. Remember when Anastasia first came out with like their contour palettes, and it was like a big thing, like you just had to have one? I feel like contour palettes are like mad overrated these days. The ones that have like this setup. However, it'll be interesting to see how this do. I don't know if I told y'all, but this retails for $40. Okay, you guys, last but not least, I feel like Boxycharm, I really love Boxycharm. I feel like they give you skincare and an eyeshadow palette in every box. Skincare, eyeshadow palette, and like mascara every other box. I don't know, that's kind of what I'm clocking. Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette. So first of all, let's get into the packaging. Look how beautiful that is. The eyeshadow palette has the same theme as the box. This is really, really cute. Now let's go ahead and open it up. It has a mirror. I love that. It has the plastic covering over it. Okay, look at that jade green shimmer shade. Actually, to be fair, I love palettes like this. It's like really natural, neutral, a few pops of color, a shimmer here, shimmer there, shimmy shimmy everywhere, and that's like really it. Like, I love colors like this. It has that dark brown, the light brown, soft brown, and then like 4 different level of golds, and then 2 pops of color, a pink and a blue. These are palettes that I typically would go for. This retails for $42. Don't know if I would spend $42 on it. It really just depends on the formula. Super excited to try this. Starting out the new year, we're going to start rating each box now that we have officially done a whole year of Boxy. We know what to expect, what not to expect. You know, we have like our ideas. So on a scale from 1 to 10, comment down below what you would rate this box. For me personally, I am going to rate this box a 7. Here's why. Although the brand is super controversial, I am super excited because they gave me a really good color. Brown is definitely a safe lip liner color to put in a Boxycharm box. I'm super excited to use the Earth Harbor Balm. I am really excited for the Wonder Beauty palette. I really do love these colors. This is literally my go-to everyday, I have to have it type colors. I'm not like fanning out over the Pure like I am these 3, but I am excited to have a new mascara because I truly do not like spending money on mascara. So 4 out of the 5 products I am really happy that I got. However, you know, this product right here is a little sketch to me. With these products, they're just always hit or miss. You really have to try it in order to really know. Like I said, I'm going to give this box an 7 out of 10. And we are starting the new year off right, Boxycharm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.